Hello. Today we are going to speak about web application firewalls. This is a single slide presentation, so we will stick to all the components of this slide only. On the top right is the web infrastructure involving web apps, API interfaces, database connects, hosted on multiple web servers, on multiple clouds, and across the globe. The first line of defense for the web infrastructure is a network firewall, which operates in layer 3 and layer 4 of the OSI model, and it can block all network related threats, especially DDoS attacks and other kinds of attacks. The network firewall still needs to let in port 80 and port 443 to allow for HTTP and HTTPS traffic to pass through. However, there could be some instances where malicious code could get embedded within the HTTP and HTTPS traffic and pass through the network firewall without the network firewall getting to know about it. And there lies the challenge. That's the reason we need a specialist device or a web application firewall. Application firewalls operate at layer 7 of the OSI model. They can detect malicious activity within the application layer. This is something which the network firewall was not able to do. The web application firewall protects against the top 10 OWASP vulnerabilities. They can also do a limited amount of DLP, preventing unauthorized information from going through. Web application firewalls can do deep inspection into the SSL traffic by selectively decrypting and encrypting SSL traffic to check for malicious code inside it. This activity is quite intense and puts a load on the CPU and possibly can also add to latency. To avoid this, many customers use an SSL accelerator card to offload this encryption and decryption. This SSL offloading can be done by a specialist SSL accelerator appliance or can also be done on a load balancer, which works in conjunction with the web application firewall. The web application firewall operates in three modes: in pure cloud mode and on-premise mode. On-premise mode can also be in the form of an appliance, and a hybrid mode. Web application firewalls can also provide bot management with captcha control and many human interface challenges to block unauthorized bots from getting through. At the same time, these controls can be bypassed for authorized and legitimate bots. This stage, it will be important to mention that today we also have the next generation firewalls, which can also detect application level threats. They operate in layer 5 and layer 7 of the OSI model. Needless to say that we still need specialist web application firewall to block all application level threats and future threats, especially threats like cross-scripting and SQL injection, known for attacks in the application layer. And then you have got LLM prompt injection attacks emerging today, which can trick your authorized corporate bots into revealing unauthorized data and PI data. This in short ends my web application firewall presentation. I hope you liked the session.